In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove paragraph symbols in Microsoft Word. These paragraph marks, often called pilcrows, can be helpful when editing or formatting a document, but they can also create visual clutter that makes your workspace feel busy and harder to read. Learning how to hide them gives you a cleaner, more focused view of your text, making it easier to concentrate on writing and reviewing your content. To start, open the Microsoft Word document that you want to tidy up. Locate it on your computer and double-click to open it in Word. As you navigate through the document, you might notice that paragraph marks appear throughout the text. These symbols indicate where paragraphs end and can also reveal hidden formatting, but seeing them constantly can be distracting, especially when presenting or reading the document on screen. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Word window and click on the File tab. This opens a menu with a variety of options for managing your document and Word settings. From this menu, click on Options. Doing so will open the Word Options window, which gives you access to numerous settings that control the display, behavior, and functionality of Microsoft Word. Within the Word Options window, select the Display section. Here, you'll find several settings related to how your document appears on the screen. Look for the section labeled Always Show These Formatting Marks on the screen. Under this header, you will see checkboxes for different types of formatting symbols, including paragraph marks. If the box next to paragraph marks is checked, that is why these symbols are currently visible throughout your document. To remove the paragraph symbols, simply uncheck the box next to paragraph marks. This action will hide them from view, instantly decluttering your workspace and giving your document a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. Importantly, hiding these marks does not delete any content or affect the formatting of your document. It only removes the visual distraction so you can focus on the text itself. Once you have unchecked the box, click OK to close the Word Options window. Your document should now display without the paragraph symbols, creating a simpler and more visually appealing workspace. If you ever need to view these symbols again for editing purposes, you can follow the same steps and recheck the box to make them visible. With these simple steps, your Word documents become easier to read and navigate, allowing you to work more efficiently and comfortably. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.